In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to equip a shield in Arc Raiders. This is a quick and straightforward process, and by the end, you'll be confidently slotting in the shield you want so you can get back to the action with that extra layer of protection. First, make sure you're in a safe spot. Then open your inventory by pressing the Tab key. If Tab doesn't open the inventory for you, it's likely your keybinds are customized. In that case, check your controls to see which key is assigned to the inventory, but the default is Tab for most setups. Once the inventory is open, you'll see your character panel on one side and your item grid on the other. Look through your items and locate the shield you want to equip. Shields are typically easy to spot thanks to their icon and description, and it's worth taking a second to glance at any stats or perks so you're equipping the one that best fits your playstyle. If the item name or icon looks faded, it may not be usable yet, so pick one that's available to you right now. Now select the shield. Click on it to pick it up, and then drag it towards your character panel. You're aiming for the empty slot that shows a shield silhouette. This slot is specifically reserved for shields, so when you hover the item over it, you should see a clear indication that it can be placed there. Release the mouse button to drop the shield into that slot. If you've done it correctly, the silhouette will be replaced by the shield's icon, and you may notice your character's defensive stats or appearance update accordingly. That's it. You've equipped your shield. From here, you can close your inventory and continue playing as normal, knowing that your shield is active. If the shield doesn't seem to drop into the slot, double-check that you're dragging it to the correct silhouette, and make sure the item isn't restricted by level or class. Also, if the shield slot already has something in it, dragging a new shield onto that same slot will typically replace the existing one. To recap the flow, open your inventory with Tab, choose the shield you want, and click and drag it to the shield-shaped slot on your character panel. Keeping the simple routine in mind will save you time whenever you pick up a better shield. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the added protection out there in Arc Raiders.